3 squared we know is 9, right? Okay. So 3 squared is 9. I think we did 3 to the third power. That one's going to be 27. And then if we have 27 and we multiply that by one more 3, we'll get 81. So I just went that way and I went ahead and multiplied them. But if I go this way, notice I'm dividing by 3. So here I divide by 3, here divide by 3. It would only make sense. 9 divided by 3 then is 3. So any number to the first power is that number itself. What happens when I take 3 and divide it by 3? Okay, so this is where we get to things like this, where it's really hard for students to remember and understand. But right around here, if I divide that by 3, I'll get 1. And that works for every number. And this is why any number to the 0 power is just 1. Okay, now I have a negative exponent. So what happens with a negative exponent? Well, here I'm multiplying. Remember, if I'm going this way, I'm going to divide by 3. So I'll have 1 divided by 3, right? We want to remember this means division. Well, a lot of things people don't show us is that 1/3 actually literally written like this means division. The fraction is divide. These two dots just stand for numbers, all right? Take a look at this one. I'm going to divide that by 3 again, and I'll get the 1 over 9. So I'm starting to see my patterns. Patterns are everywhere in math. This is why musicians do so well in math, or they should. Divide that by 3 again, 1 over 27. And divide that by 3 again, 1 over 81. So I filled in my chart, and now I have pretty much the full story of exponents